man once said, hard work beats talent when talent fails to work hard. In their usual quest for adding value to lives, the Rotary Club of Grand Bonny is having a day tutorial craft making for members of the Early Act Club in the bead making, paper craft, fascinators, and room decorations. If you want to gain knowing these crafts from the comfort of your home, sit back and enjoy the content. Don't forget, I'm Kinabari Precious. This is Think Tank TV. In case you're new, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on all our social media handles for content like this. Trust me, you will regret it. Hello viewers, this is Think Tank TV once more. With me in the house today, we have the president of Rotary Club Grand Bonny, Miss Regina Orumbe. Welcome, ma. Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling great.
All right. Today, what we are really interested in, what is really happening? What is going on today?
Yeah, we are having a training for our early actors. Early actors is like a children to the main Rotary body from age 5 to 13, the primary sector. So these are the early actors. So we decided to make a project for them because Rotary have service project. So this is my tenure. I said we will also teach them how to do some certain skills. So now you can see we have facilitators that are teaching them bead making, craft making, how to use paper to do frame. We have the one teaching them fascinator and all of it.
All right, that's awesome. I believe it's really going to be intriguing. All right, so I want to really know what is your motivation. You know, because there are a lot of people in these days that are doing very well, but they don't see it necessary for community service or wanting to help others or wanting to impact people's life. So what is your motivation?
Yeah, my motivation is that I started my Rotary journey from secondary school. I was an interactor, and Rotary has impacted much of my life, even in my high institution. So if they give it back to you, they teach you how to give it back to the society. And the opportunity I have is presently as the president of Rotary Club of Grand Bonny, I want to make it happen for these children. So that whatever they are learning today, it will be with them till they grow. Right now you can see they are doing something. Some are doing earrings. So I said, when you go home, give it to your mommy. The one that I said, go home, bangle, give it to your daddy. Let them see what you've done. Some parents are asking me, how much? I said, we don't collect money from anybody. We, the Rotary Club, pays for it. We pay the facilitators, we pay for the materials used. The t-shirts, those are the other early actors which we chartered last year, have their t-shirt, they came with their t-shirt. But this present one, they are provisional early actors because they have not been chartered. So I asked them to come with their uniform. Once their charter certificate is out, I've told them I'm making t-shirts for everybody.
Wow, that's beautiful. That is lovely. Trust me. All right, just like they say children is the future of tomorrow. And if our future or our children are not doing well, what do you expect of the future? Thank you very much. It was nice having you.
Thank you very much.
I expect that as early actors, from the little interaction we have, you must learn to obey your parents, learn to read your books. It is only a reader that turns out to be a leader. Always remember to learn to earn whatever you have. Earn your parents' respect. Earn your siblings' respect. Earn the respect of your classmates. So early actors, they bar all challenges to get to the top. A challenge-free life is an illusion. That is why I say don't grow up with the mentality that everything must be there at your beck and call.
Right now we are going to start. It's a training and the trainers are here. So one of the trainers is going to use it. I want to say a big thank you to our immediate past president, Rotary, TJ Baningo. That is Tamnotoy Jonathan Baningo. Thank you very much. Today is going to be a lovely day. You are going to learn, and when you learn, you are not going to leave it here. You're going to practice it. Are you hearing me? We are in the generation where you don't depend on what you learn. You have to have so many skills. This will be part of your skills while growing up. You can use it to make money for your mommy and daddy, isn't it? So you are going to learn here. It will be good for you. Thank you for coming. Thank you, our early actors. I'm surprised you're seeing these other ones. You are the first early act club we have. That is Chris Miller. But for this year, another early art club have joined you, which is the early art club of Lucille.
And the name of my school is Chris Miller International School. And I'm here to say the object of Rotary. The object of Rotary is to encourage and foster the idea of service as a basic of Rotary enterprise, and in particular to encourage and foster. First, the development of equitable as an opportunity for service, high ethical standards in business and professions, the recognition of worthiness and of all useful occupations, and the dignifying of each Rotarian's occupation as an opportunity to serve the society.
Daniela Edet Edem. I am from the Sea Education Center. I am here to recite the Rotarian Code of Conduct. As a Rotarian, I will 1. Act with integrity and high ethical standard in my personal and professional life. Deal fairly with others and treat them and their occupations with respect. Use my professional skills through Rotary to mentor young people, help those with special needs, and improve people's quality of life in my community and in the world. 4. Avoid bad behavior that reflects adversely on Rotary or other Rotarians. Promote recognition and respect for all occupations which are useful to the society. Thank you.
My name is Chukwemeka Peter. I am from the Sea Education Center, and I am here to recite the 4-way test. The 4-way test is a non-partisan and non-sectarian ethical guide for Rotarians to use for their personal and professional relationships. The test has been translated into more than 100 languages, and Rotarians recite it at club meetings.
1. Is it the truth? 2. Is it fair to all concerned? 3. Will it build goodwill and better friendship? 4. Will it be beneficial to all concerned?
Thank you very much.
Cut off here. You cut off this. You also cut off this. Now we'll have something like this. So at the end, it's going to be like this. Okay? Now the next thing we are going to do, remember I told you that we are going to place this here. We are placing it here. Who can tell me why are we placing it there? So that you have a space where you can put in your picture from. If it's like this, if it's like this, is there anywhere where you can put in your picture from? So that's why we need to place this, okay? So we are putting this here. You need to be what? Straight. Okay. Now we are through with this. We'll cover with this.
Alright, so welcome back, and we have a very beautiful parent of one of the beneficiaries. Good afternoon, how are you feeling?
I'm good, thank you.
Alright, so what's your name?
I'm Mrs. Moses Elideme.
Okay, so do you feel schools should add entrepreneurship as one of the courses students study in school?
Of course, it's very important.
Yeah, considering the high rate of unemployment in Nigeria.
You will not get loose. He's in secondary.
Alright, it's Think Tank TV, and we are one of the facilitators of the event. Good afternoon, how are you feeling?
I'm fine, thank you.
Alright, ma, so what's your name?
I'm Mrs. Ozemina Blessing.
Alright, so how do you feel transferring the knowledge you have to younger ones?
Very, very happy. I'm so happy because I believe this will really help them. You understand? It will really help them in their home. Even as they are growing up, they can also use it to make money. So I'm very happy.
Yeah, definitely. Okay, so do you feel schools should add entrepreneurship and handwork to one of their curriculum?
Yes.
All right. Thank you very much.
For some persons, fix the 4. I want everybody's hand to be like this. We are still waiting for some persons. Uncle, go and stand there so you will see me clearly, okay? I want everybody's hand to be like this.
All right, viewers, with us we have one of the parents.
My name is Elijah Afolalu.
All right, so how do you feel your child being here today?
Okay, it's great because I know it's one girl that loves to associate with others, go to where things like this is being done. and I feel happy that he meets others of our age here doing all these creative acts.
All right, that's beautiful. All right, okay, sir. What do you think handwork is a means whereby someone could earn a living, considering the high rate of unemployment in Nigeria?
Sure. We've seen a lot of graduates. After they graduated, they have to go through all this handwork, and now they are making their thousands of naira, even when there is no white collar job. I think this is one of the way to make money, especially in this present Nigeria economy.
All right, so what word do you have for Rotary Club of Bonny?
Okay, they are doing well, and I want them to also continue in what they are doing. I really appreciate that the good job they are doing on the island, especially imparting this kind of knowledge in the life of the young ones.
All right, sir. Thank you very much. It was nice having you on the show. Thank you very much.
I practicalize it, okay? You'll be able to do yours after now. All right, I'm starting again. I said we are using this. As you can see, I've made the lines. As you can see, I've made the lines, isn't it? And I told you that from here to here is 2 inches. From here to here is what? 2 inches. Now this is the place that is going to be transparent, where you can see your picture from. Okay? Now after that, I'll be cutting this off. Where is my craft knife? Okay, this is my craft knife. I will use it to create a hole here, following the line. I'll make sure I follow the words, the line. I'll make a hole. I need to cut this out. You know this is a sharp object, isn't it? You need to be very careful with it, please, when you're cutting.
Good day and welcome to Think Tank TV. I'm here to love the beneficiaries. So what's the name of your school?
The name of my school is
Okay, so are you happy about this event that you attend? How do you feel?
I feel that we should always be creative, that bring up benefit to what we are.
Okay, so what was this that you learned today?
I learned
Please hold it well, it's tiny. It's beading needle. Hold it well, it's tiny. Come, I will give everybody. Stop it. Everybody.
Okay, good day viewers and welcome to Think Tank TV. Today I'm here to one of the beneficiaries of this Rotary Club event. So, what did you learn from this event today?
I learned how to play.
So with just the help of any teacher, you can make it well.